Whether you work in the field or office, Punch In Out Timesheet app is the best tool to track accurate work time. The app allows users to eliminate paper time cards and optimize work time management. Here's how it works. Simply punch in and start tracking your work time. Optionally, you can add a project or job code. Also, optionally, you can add any description of the work. You can add more details at any time. Use the break button to start the break. It will automatically be logged. After you punch out, you get the time card with all the details. You can share it by email or other ways. The app saves all shifts, enabling you to instantly generate time card report. You can easily find all your time card reports in the app and create the new one. In the dashboard, you can see the chart of the work time. You can filter it by job code or project and by date. Punch In Out Timesheet app is available for free download at www.snappy.com and can be further 100% customized to specific needs of each company.